Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today is all about the electric dryer. If the dryer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy solutions you can try to get the appliance back up and running. If your dryer won't turn on, check the dryer door to see if it's sagging or misaligned. This can cause the door not to latch properly. Fixing it could be as easy as tightening a loose hinge screw. If the dryer won't turn on but it's latching properly, check the wall outlet. Over time, the outlet can become worn out, which could cause a bad connection. Before checking the innards of the plug, be sure to cut all the power to the receptacle. You can use a multimeter to double check there is no power. If the wall outlet is in good condition, check the power cord itself. The power cord could have abrasions from dryer vibrations causing a short. Also make sure the plug is fully plugged into the wall outlet. If the power cord looks good, check the breaker box. Check your central home electrical box to see if a fuse had blown or a circuit breaker had been tripped. You may be able to replace the fuse or turn the breaker back on. If this happens frequently, call an electrician immediately. You could have other issues that need to be addressed. If your dryer won't turn on when you press the start button and it has power, the dryer belt may have failed. If the belt is broken and engaged the safety switch, it will not allow the dryer to run at all. You can check this by attempting to spin the dryer drum by hand. If there's no resistance, it's likely the belt is broken. If you're still encountering issues with your dryer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that repair call can save you time and money. I hope this video helped. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.